Definitely one of my coolest projects. Using Osascript on a Mac, adapted them for running on Python, and got to use some trigonometry, Mediapipe and OpenCV computer vision.